Howdy, howdy, folks. Out here in Newport this August 6th evening, corner of 101 and Hubert, and they got something going on over here. Let's check it out. Wait. Got it lit up like day over here. So to my understanding, this is a city-owned property they're working on. They've had crews in here doing asbestos removal for a while, and now they're clearing it out to give it a whole new face and everything. Huh. Looks like they got their own cameraman over here. That's kind of cool. Alright. Got to make sure it's all done by the book. I kind of want to go across the street and see if I can see up in there what he's working on. Get across the street here and see if we can get a better view. Oh wow, check that out. Just ripping it. Apparently they're doing this by night so that the sidewalk and street can be open during the busy hours of the day here. Got something stuck in his teeth. But yeah, as I was saying, to my understanding, this is a city-owned property that they're doing. Along with most of this block, actually. I believe that one and the one on the end there are also city-owned. So yeah, part of the whole 10-year plan they got going to give this whole place a facelift and bring in more tourists and more revenue for the city. Which, I mean, if it goes to making things nice, that's what it's about, I suppose. probably what they're going to do is rip it all down tonight and then load it out tomorrow, maybe. Well, I don't feel like standing here watching this all night, but probably check back here in like an hour or two and see how it's coming along. Maybe go ask these guys how long they're gonna be here, like how many days. There's a sign somewhere, but I forgot what it said. Wait. Hey boss, mind if I ask you a quick question? I just forgot, how long were you guys supposed to be out here? Like how many nights?
2 weeks.
2 weeks? Oh wow. Are you just doing this one building or more of them?
One right next.
And the one right next to it? Right on, right on. Thank you, I appreciate it.
Yeah, you go.
Well, there you have her. 2 weeks of it. Well, if you hear any noise at night, folks, here out in Newport, that's probably what you're hearing. Anyway, have a good one. Catch you later.